Want to grab your customers' attention and drive more clicks in your WooCommerce store? Adding product badges is a fast and effective way to do that, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to add them in just a few minutes, even if you're a beginner. Navigate to Product Badges. Click Add New to create a new badge. Enter a name for your badge. Choose your preferred style. Adjust the badge width for archive page. Adjust the badge width for product page. Set the badge text. Choose a label color. Set the badge position to either left or right. Enable shadow and choose a shadow color. Go to Products and Conditions tab. Select Products. Select Included. Select best-selling products in your store. Save your changes. Visit your store to see the badge. Display product badges on the archive page. Display the product badge on the product page. Add a product badge in WooCommerce to display the percentage discount. Navigate to Product Badges. Click Add New. Give your badge a name. Enable the percentage discount amount option. Select your desired style. Adjust the badge width for archive page. Adjust the badge width for product page. Pick a label color. Enable shadow if needed. Set badge position to left or right. Go to Products and Conditions tab. Select is on sale. Set it to yes. Save your changes. Visit your store to see the badge. Display discount percentage badges on the archive page. Show a discount percentage badge on the product page. How to install the free version of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges.